today's song, Don't Let Anybody Break You Down. Don't let anybody break you down. Don't let anybody break your spirit. A pat on the back is not enough. Mr. Powell once said, what's in your hands? Forever this has been going on. Don't wait for an opportunity to be handed down. A pat in the back is not enough. Mr. Powell once said, what's in your hands? Pat in the back is not enough. Mr. Powell once said, what's in your hands? Pat on the back ain't enough. Mr. Powell once said, what's in your hands? Don't let anybody break you down. Don't let anybody break your spirit. Mr. Powell once said, what's in your hands? Don't let anybody break you down. Forever this has been going on. Don't wait for opportunities to be handed down. A pat in the back is not good enough. Mr. Powell once said, what's in your hands? Don't let anybody break you down. Don't let anybody break your spirit. Opportunities are everywhere. Opportunities are everywhere. Opportunities are everywhere. Don't let anybody break you down. Don't let anybody break your spirit. A pat on the back is not good enough. Mr. Powell once said, what's in your hand? Don't let anybody break you down. Don't let anybody break your spirit. Opportunities are everywhere. All right, everybody, thank you so much. Well, up next, stay tuned. Be live on air, and I'll be doing another presentation for you today. I'm so excited. Well, most importantly, I'm just so excited we're here all together. Let me get going, and I'll see you in the next minute. Till then, you count, you matter, stay in Brooklyn, and this, I'm all right. Just bang my hand. I'll talk to you soon in the next minute. Bye-bye.